Okay, very good afternoon to all of you. Okay, I am going to share you with a program of a syntax programming regarding the parsing. Yes, today already we had that content. Actually, we had done a small program, but the line of code is somewhat more. I have created two files. Yes, and in one file I have kept the values of a plus b as a c minus d. These are some strings expressions I have given. Plus sign, minus sign, again plus with different variable, and minus sign with different variables. But according to the plus and minus, the plus needed two operands side by. The plus needed two operands side by. For that purpose, I have created one program. Here I have created one file where I have taken these inputs as a syntax.txt. I have created one file naming syntax tst, and I have given the syntax over here. Now the main program is what I need to take each value. These values should be get separated and it should be represented as what this plus define, what this a is and what this b is. So plus is nothing but your root value. As per our tree diagram we had seen, in a tree diagram we had seen that plus is root value and a and b are nothing but the expression. Yeah, so instead of expression I have given what values. You can see the program. It is a simple C program I have defined rather than Lex and Yak. Okay. Now I am generating this syntax with values, and I have taken an input with value I equals to 0, j equals to 0, k, l, row, column, because each one having a different condition, and that inputs are inserted over here with context free grammar. That is context free grammar. So here I am again put that values in array formation, size is given. You can see. Also, I will provide this code to you in the chat simultaneously. Here we had moving further with the end of file. If I am not getting the proper answers, I will go with the while loop, and I will after opening and existing means executing the actual file. Later I need to get end of that file. Okay, so character ch equals to slash n, row equals to I, column equals to j equals to 0, I plus plus. Else, if these are not conditions, then I need to get a print in this format. That is a of I and j is equals to ch. Whatever the content in the file of the syntax I am going to present, it should be get printed, and as well as the increment should be done. But here actually we are taking the expressions. That's why we are just considering the content of the character whatever we are putting, we are going to print that particular contents. Now printf, it is going to print the condition given for the k is equals to 0. These are nothing but I, j, k, l, and these are nothing but I am providing just the row values and column values, because according to that it will execute each one. And these rows and columns are nothing but we are providing a symbol table. हे row column j I काय घेतलेलं आहे, they are nothing but we are creating a table, and in that table I am inserting these conditions. In table I am inserting these tables. So for that purpose I will just rough पार्ट मी घेते. त्याच्यात काय करायचं आपल्याला की रो आणि टेबल कसा घ्यायचा आहे. जस्ट वेट. Just wait. Here serial number. As per here we are going to give the IDs. आपण ह्याच्या आधी पण बघितलं होतं की आयडी मेन्शन करतो आपण. दॅट इज नथिंग बट 1 2. ह्याच्या आधी पण आपण दिलं होतं. तो 1 and 2. त्याच्यानंतर तुमचे जे रोज आणि कॉलम्स आहेत त्याच्यात मी काय टाकणार आहे, तर आय इक्वल्स टू काय असेल, त्याच्यानंतर जे इक्वल्स टू काय असेल दुसऱ्या कॉलम मध्ये रो मध्ये, आणि त्याचबरोबर के काय असेल. तर इनिशियली ह्या जे काही मी एक्सप्रेशन दिलेलं आहे ए प्लस बी आणि इक्वल्स टू T1 equals to a plus b. So T1, then here it will be a and it will be b. But that T1 is nothing but I need a value. I need a value that is nothing but your expression value is given here, and the ID is nothing but ID bracket T1. Yes, this is nothing but actually, wait, I will increase the font. ID T1 is nothing but I am including the values over here with A and B, and here plus sign is nothing but the your root value. These are expression. So simply the same program we had done here for row and columns. Yes, for row and column. तो symbol table झाला. हे जे मी दाखवला हा तुमचा symbol table झाला. काय symbols इथे येणार आहेत complete, इथे address येणार आहे, इथे location येणार आहे. Symbols इथे येतील तुमचे. त्याच्यानंतर तुमचा इथे असणार आहे address or length you can say, and here the memory. Yes, the symbols इथे आले म्हणल्या length of A is also getting here inserted. Similarly, I am again inserting something row below. This is B. Finally, main locations will be stored at any place. I don't know where it can be, but you can give it as 5000, 5001, 5002. But the answer should be stored at temporary value. टेम्पररी कुठेतरी स्टोर झाली पाहिजे. सो हे टेम्प असेल. हिअर इट मे बी सम टेम्प इथं लिख नाही. टेम्प इथं असेल. व्हॅल्यूज विल बी 5003 ला लोकेशनला. अँड यू कॅन अगेन कन्वर्ट दॅट आन्सर्स इन सम व्हॅल्यूज ओव्हर अगेन वेअर इट इज. तर हे झालं तुमचं ह्या टेबल. ह्या टेबलला मी ऍक्च्युली रोज आणि कॉलम्सची व्हॅल्यूज दिलेली आहे, जशी इथं प्रिंट केलेली आहे. त्याच्यानंतर मी इथं स्पेसिफाय केले की कोणत्या रोला काय प्लस साइन असेल, मायनस साइन असेल. जर तुम्हाला प्लस टेबल वाईज इन्सर्ट करायचं असेल तर टेबल वाईजच मला जायचंय, बिकॉज एक एक एक्सप्रेशन टेबल वाईजच रन होणार आहे. एक एक एक्सप्रेशन टेबल वाईजच रन होणार आहे. So simply when I'm saying that these values are satisfied for the conditions given for K, L, again if the array is satisfied with size same, then should print I equals to 0, s equals to 0, and similarly the row values will get executed over here. It is I think so 300 line code, so it is not possible to write, but just you can understand what we had done over here. Incrementing, then conditions for T. That T is nothing but your symbol table. I have given a fixed value, that is T. Search for that particular row and column. Again I am saying search for that particular row and column. If it is present, then you can execute. You have a searching option also. Later we have to compare that content. Then these conditions are satisfied. Again I have just copy and paste. हा फॉर्म्युला फक्त इथं काय केले, आय ची व्हॅल्यू आणि के ची व्हॅल्यू डिफाईन केली. के ची आणि जो दुसरा रो आणि कॉलम्सची व्हॅल्यूज आहेत ते फक्त मी चेंज केल्यात. 5 to 3. आता इथं जो टेबल आहे बघा तुम्ही, 1 2 3 4 5 आहे. So first of all, I have given for any specification, but 5 टेबल ह्या रोला सोडून अजून एक एरिया येणार आहे, बिकॉज त्याच्यात ती व्हॅल्यू कुठे स्टोअर होणार आहे, इथे ऍक्च्युअल रजिस्टर मध्ये स्टोअर होणार आहे. ते सपोज करू ए मध्ये ती व्हॅल्यू असेल और T1 मध्ये ती व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर होणार आहे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट 5 रो इट इज गोइंग टू कंझ्युम, and column 3s are going to execute their values. कॉलम 3 कॉलम आपल्याला लागणार आहेत, 5 रो लागणार आहेत आपल्याला. ठीक आहे. तो सिम्पली हा फक्त पॅटर्न तिथे केलेला फक्त डिक्रीमेंट फॉर्मॅट मध्ये मी चालले, कारण एक बाय एक एक्झिक्युशन झाल्यावर त्याची साईज कमी करायची. 1 by 1 एक्झिक्युशन पॉसिबल झाल्यानंतर जेव्हा अलोकेशन होतं त्याच्यानंतर 1 by 1 मी ते डिक्रीमेंट करत येणार आहे. लास्टली द कंडिशन इज फॉर सर्च, and again I have done the search for I value, and then I am exposing that content with X value, because आपला X is nothing but input. ही कंडिशन आहे. आपण कालच बघितलं की X हे इनपुट घेतलाच पाहिजे तरच तुमचा प्रोग्राम पार्सिंगला सपोर्ट करेल. आणि पार्सिंग इज नथिंग बट वी आर एक्झिक्युटिंग दॅट व्हॅल्यू विथ कीपिंग ॲज X ॲज अन इनपुट. आता X इज नथिंग बट आय हॅव कीप दिस ॲज अन इनपुट व्हॅल्यू. इनपुट साठी मी X घेतलंय. तुम्ही म्हणसाल आय का घेतलं नाही. ऑलरेडी आय हॅव डिफाईन आय शुड बी -1, शुड बी लेस दॅन 1 and later we have to convert that values with our input. मग मी आपला इनपुट काय द्यायचं आहे मला हे ठरवलेलं आहे मी. तुम्ही दुसरं काही इनपुट देऊ शकता, नो प्रॉब्लेम. Then I am executing the same file. These values are varying. You can keep the values according to your choice. This means values are different one. You can keep this left side जे असेल आपण right side recursion आणि left side values RHS and LHS आपण बघितलं होतं की लेफ्ट हँड साइडला काय असणार आहे, राईट हँड साइडला काय असणार आहे. तर तसंच इथं केलेलं आहे की लेफ्ट हँड साइडला कोणत्या व्हॅल्यूज असतील आणि राईट हँड साइडला कोणत्या व्हॅल्यूज असतील. So similarly these constant values will get clearly identified without any restriction. These are the constant characteristics. These are the constant characters. You can see here same pattern, फक्त इथं L is for left constant and here it is right constant. राईट मध्ये काय असणार आहे आणि लेफ्ट मध्ये काय असणार आहे, तर त्याच्यासाठी ते LC आणि RC घेतलेलं आहे. नेक्स्ट I have stopped this program with the execution. So in the syntax, whatever I have given here, whatever I have input given here, the execution will looks like, you can see here. I will compile and execute. It will show me the values. You can see here T1 string taken, T2 string taken, T3 taken, T4 is also taken. Here the root is nothing but the minus sign. Minus sign I have provided here. It is going from bottom to top. Minus. Then at the left it is T1. At the right it is T3. Left is T1 constant. Right is T3 constant. Then for T3 also the plus sign is considered as root. Left constant is E. Right constant is T2. Similarly for other strings. Okay, fine. Any doubt? दिसतंय का? I will increase the edit option. Yes, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will just give you this input in the text. Just wait a minute. I will copy this code. Just you have to run and get understand what actually it is happening, and you have to change the syntax. Text. You have to change the syntax. I have given in the text chat. You can take that code from there and please run. Keep your text file syntax.txt. It may be varying, but I have taken only for two operands. I have taken this program. If you want, first of all, first run that program and give me the output like this. Whether it is running, what it actually give the output. I will just close the command prompt. Just wait. The program is for only the single operation, but now I need some slight changes, and I want like this. If there is an expression like this, then how the parsing or the syntax of the grammar will be affected, or it may be shown. That program you have to do. I have given a program for only for the two string. A plus B साठी मी दिलेला आहे. फक्त तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, तर स्टार टाकून एक अजून कंटेंट द्यायचा आहे. तो स्टार C दिसला पाहिजे, तो रन करायचा आहे तुम्हाला प्रोग्राम. Are you clear what I'm saying? You have to write a program. You have to do some slight changes in your program, and instead of the two operations we are performing, that is A plus B only operation we are executing. So instead of that, you need to add one more string in that is star C, and that star C is also get implemented over in your program. This is the task for you. You have to go for it. Just first of all, run the basic program. Then we will go for the next program here itself. This is the task for you. You have to run the program in this pattern. This was the actual program we had. Here only we have to do some basic changes. So after executing the file, please let me know. So I will stop my sharing and you can go for it.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes.
Can you see the output?
Wait. Yes. Okay. Anyone else? We'll go for the string program. I need to start my sharing again. Okay, we are having here the program probable for the string. How I'm going to insert a string which may be parsed, So related to that, input is given to here with this statement. Okay, so this is my input.txt file I have taken, and I need to give a parsing over here. I will give an parsing over here. Similarly, same programming format I have keep and I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Many of you can take any other variables also, because if you are using here A, B and C, then don't use here itself as a input value or integer value. Okay, this is the basic difference we need to keep in mind. Then I have used the structure, call the classes over here, and methods has been called. Then here the character for right hand and left hand, it is given. Nextly, I am operating over some values which may be kept for temporary, and similarly these concept, the similar concept as per in the previous program we had kept, we are following here. Some of the part is been copied and pasted over here from the first program. From this program, initial program, previous program, I have kept just taken the and only the initial, these values have been changed over here. These operate whatever the integer values we had considered for the previous program, just I have removed with the particular integer values I have initialized for the 0 has been taken. Again, the OP and NV are nothing but I am going to take clear cut values of that particular content. Fine. Now the next contents are displayed over here. You have to write the values which are temporarily having some length. The length should be kept in mind because I am giving the string value, so their lengths also should be specified with this. And again, the concatenation should be checked whether that string is not overlapping and not duplicate. So string cat is taken for temp and temp2. Temp2 and temp1 are already defined over here. Otherwise, you have to display and you have to break that statement and you have to return to the value 0. So main program, I am starting from here. I have taken an input.txt file, and for that purpose, I have given some input here in this format. Similarly, when I am going to call that file, I have to get open that file and run. The input should be taken from that file and should be run. It should be checked whether that each string should not get collide or duplication should not be there. Then the values will get for the left hand content, or you can say left hand constant value and right hand constant value as per our parsing concept. Again, lastly, I am going to check whether that following the grammar or not, and I need to enter the string, and if not, I am going to take the value 0 for exist. This is nothing but I have taken the if else condition for both strings. For any of the strings, if I am working over there, I have taken here for loop for and simply again I am putting that string values in the table. I am putting those values in table, and that table again resembles to the symbol, and their memory is also getting stored. Their memory is also getting stored. So simply I, J, K, and L, they are simply for your string and your table values. For your table values, I am copying that values over. If I am taking the particular value, then it should be kept first to the right hand side, or you can say for the right hand side constant. And if not, I'm going to move further for the left hand side. The if conditions only just I have taken and simply taken as a from the previous one. I have just copied over here. Nextly, if I am having this value m equals to string length, I need to check whether the input given is similar to that or not, or it is getting overloaded, or you can say it is not proper. Then I am going to get the enter any string which is if it is correct, then it is going to show you that string can be passed. If not, then it is saying that string cannot be passed, and the output you will get shown. So simply I will run this program, and again same will provide you in the text, because these such line codes we are not writing. If we are going to write, you have to, the grammar is as follow. I have given the grammar, and you have to write any a string. But you have to give me the result. I'm not going to show you how the output will come. You have to write any string, and how it is generating, you have to explain me how it is generating, whether it is generating in the similar pattern or whether it is generating in a different pattern. So you have to show me, you have to write any string and you have to execute that string. So finally I will provide you the code. You have to run that program and specify me what is the output actually. This is the actual grammar I am going to follow, and I need to provide a string which is going to be parsed. Okay, fine. I will provide you with the code, but simply you have to give me the output. You have to give me the output. I will provide you the code. It is in, I think so. For I, the product value is a different one. File is opened with some string values, which are, wait a minute, it is at last, I think so. Here itself, where I have started with the file main program. Okay, here. So you have to the value is not printed over here. You have to write 0 over here. N equals to 0. N equals to 0. So we'll again select it is so much lengthy. Again last lengthy program है. M equals to 0, N equals to 0 is remain. In 3 part, I have shared the program. And in the second point, second part, whatever I shared, there the value of equals to 0 is remain in the first. N equals to 0 is remain in the first here. Please check in chat. In chat, please check equals to 0 in the first part, it is remain. Yes, anybody try and show me the output.
Ma'am, what was in that input file?
Wait, I will show you. Actually, I have taken this string pattern. You have to take in a different format. This is my string and I have generated in this pattern. Initially, yesterday we had already discussed with how my string will get finite and non-deterministic and deterministic, NFA and DFA. So similarly, I need these strings should be printed and it should be called as a parsed string. So how you are going to generate that? The input text file मध्ये मी अशा pattern मध्ये strings घेतल्या होत्या. तर तुम्ही
Ma'am,
कशा घेतल्या?
screen is not visible.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Again need to go. You have to take these types of string, but it should show this is not the regular pattern I have taken. The grammar should be get followed. So you have to take such types of string which is in the grammar based. Yesterday we had taken की values बघितल्या होत्या आपण A or B, A B like this. So whether this type of string is valid or not, that we have to see. You have to take an input in this format and you have to generate the output. Rahul, can you show? So I can make you co-host.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will go for the co-host to you. You can share. I will stop my sharing.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yet it is not started. Is there any range problem? I am unable to see your screen.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. It is visible. Yes, it is visible.
Ma'am, command screen is visible.
No, it is not visible.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, you can see the output as I have already given that grammar is as follow. The input taken by him is different one as according to mine. Is it fine? Rahul, please make that font size somewhat increase. Is anybody, if not possible, to click on that, right click on